we're doing a little test this morning. We just stimped this screen at about an 8, and we're gonna roll it, and then we will stimp it at the same spot right in here. We've been getting about 25% more roll after our roll and our stimp, so we'll see where we're at after our stimp. I'll let you guys know. Snow finally melted. We are back in business. All right, Mr. Crowley, go ahead. Let's see what we got. Significantly farther. Okay, let's average it. So this was a little uphill. Downhill we were getting 11.5 feet. Uphill we're getting 9 now. So it is like a 25% increase in speed, which is awesome. And they're rolling truer. They're bouncing less off of the stimp meter, so pretty cool. Nice work, dude. Come play, you guys. It's nice out here today.